Hi there, so today we're going to be learning how to put our programs permanently on the BeMicro CV board. Now what you're going to need is you're going to need your project, and remember you're going to need to set your top level entity. And what you're going to do is you're going to start your compilation, so you're going to make sure you have everything compiled properly. And it should take a few moments here. Alright, so that compiled nicely. So what you'd usually do to put your program onto your FPGA board, specifically the BeMicro CV, is you'd come up here to programmer, and everything would be nice. You just specify your soft file, and then you'd hit JTAG and program, and then everything is good. But that will erase your program if you unplug your board from the USB. So basically we want to have some persistent programs on here. Let's say if you wanted to make this into a product or something. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to convert programming files, and we're going to specify a JIC, and then what we're going to do is we're going to specify our soft file, so add file, and then this is our soft that we just generated, and we're going to specify our actual flash device on the BeMicro CV. So we're going to hit add device, or sorry, the loader. So I'm going to Cyclone V, and then we are this particular board right here. Okay. So we're also going to need to specify our actual flash device. So on the BeMicro CV, it's the EPCS16. Okay. Now you may run into some problems if you just go like this. So what you're going to need to do is you go down and select your soft file and hit properties, and you're going to want to enable compression. Okay. So once that's all done, you specified your output file. We're just going to keep it like this. JIC. Okay, generate. Generate successfully. So that's done. So now what we're going to do is we go up to programmer, and then instead of using this, we're going to delete, and we're going to hit add file, output files, and now we have this output file.jic. Now if we hit open, you'll see that the actual this little diagram's changed, because what it's going to do is it's going to send it directly through the FPGA, and then write it to the memory, so that when it boots up, it'll be reading your program from the flash chip. Okay. So we're going to hit program configure, and then remember you need to have your was it on the dip switch on switch number 1, you need to turn that on. Now that's specified in the actual BeMicro documentation, but it's right in there. Okay, so everything is all good, and so now I hit start. So it'll take a slightly longer than regularly programming it, but this will enable it to be persistent. So you can remove the cable and then just use any old 5-volt power supply, and your program will be able to run whenever you want. So there we go. Successfully done. So yeah, now you're all good. Alright, have a good one.